Oh, and GMC Acadia 2016. It's got the big 3.6. Engine lights on. And we've got some exhaust gaskets to replace here from Chevy. I got some of them. Warning light is on. 111,000 miles on this little fella. So let's pull her in here, see what we can do. Let's place our bets on the engine light. I'm going for your classic EVAP problem. Let's see here. Purge valve, we'll call it. See what the survey says. EVAP emission system flow during non-purge. Classic. And then a couple tire pressure sensor things here, but engine light wise, your classic PO496. Probably done a million videos on these, or could have. Purge valve's probably just stuck open. I was gonna pop the cover off, but I guess we can do it right here. Let's hop in the ECM here. Let's go right to live data. Again here. What we're gonna look at is fuel tank pressure. So we'll go to EVAP here. Right there. And then we want to look at purge command. We want to see where our vent solenoid's doing. And then we want to find our fuel tank pressure sensor. Right here and here. And when we start it, the purge valve should be, remain at 0 for a certain period of time. But mostly we shouldn't see any change in fuel tank pressure. Okay, that makes sense to you? Get my clicker to work. Let's see, we need to change this minimum. We'll do -10, maximum 10. That way we can get a little finer measurement here. This shouldn't change at all when we start it. But if the purge is stuck open, it will. Let's see. Bingo. Look at that. There's your problem. You shut it back off. It'll go back to that strip pressure. So there, so it went back to 0. Classic. Alright, we're done with that one. So that's that. That's not too big a deal on a Chevy. Big 3.6 here. Pretty common. Pretty common. I use 2 pretties. That's how you know it's common. Yank that thing off. It begs the question, how do you know that the purge valve isn't shorted and creating the problem? Well, that's easy. A, it'd be a different code. B, you could see that in scan tool when you look at purge circuit status. And D or E, wherever we're at, if you want to know, just unplug it. And if it's still stuck, then bingo. Bingo was his name-o. I've been doing it for 25 years. I've never seen one shorted electrically to the point it stays open. I know 50 or 60 people in the comment section probably have, but I personally haven't. So I'm going to take a guess. If I'm wrong, well, by golly, I'll eat it on camera. So let me see if old Napper's got one. Hopefully they do. They usually do. And then we'll go fix the exhaust in the meantime. There's the blower out gasket. The other ones look okay. This one's been done before. It's got nuts and bolts on it there. Oh, must be it had a flex pipe put on it. Well, looks like we'll have to heat them up a little. Alright, looks like they came right loose for us. Yep, that one came loose. That one came loose. Perfect. And then I think the gasket must be MIA or fell out here, huh? I don't see. There's a little bit of remnants of it up in there. Let's see about getting this hanger off here so we can let the exhaust down a little bit. I don't know. There we go. That way we can clean up the gasket. Come on, please. Wow, this is an epic fail. What's going on here? I think we're a little too abusive to our stand. Come on. Get time for a new pipe. This way here, we don't actually pull down on it too hard, even though it's kind of hanging on its own. We can clean off our gasket because we don't want to go tweaking on this flex pipe too much because it will break. Grab some 3/8 bolts here. They'll fit through the gasket just fine. Whoa, man down. We're gonna stick this in here temporarily. Let's see here. Probably should have thought this out a little bit better here. Stick that up there like that. Grab our, you guys probably can't see anymore. Guess we do need the light. How's that? A little better? We'll get our rubber hanger put back on there. Get the other bolt stuff in there. Also, kind of an easy fix for today on this one. Get our hanger back up there before something bad happens. There's that baby. Alright. Pretty easy. Grab some wrenches and we'll snug that up. There we have it, all done. That's an OG right there. That one's still in good shape. Of course, that's the one we fixed. So, anyhow, like I say, it looks like somebody put a front pipe on it at some point. Flex pipe's probably rotted out of it, but anyhow, I'll seal that up for them. Lamper said it's gonna be a few hours on the purge valve, so we'll shove it outside. Got a Nissan out there. We'll bring in, I guess it's leaking gas out of the injectors. So we'll look at that. Oh, let's see. We'll work on this one outside. Pretty easy. Same type of gas line that Yoda had, a little pinchy. Give her a little pinch. A 10 mil. Undo the screw. wiggle. Oh wow, it's actually OEM. Doesn't mean it's original. It means the last time it changed, that's what they put on it. Got all this stuff here. Hit the O-ring. Okay. Hit this little fella. Spin that just so. Whoa. Stick a little longer down in there. Get that pushed in. Got an O-ring up here, or spacer, whatever you want to call it. Close your eyes. Give that a little kiss. We'll spit on there, she'll slip right in, trust me. There's that. We'll torque it back down. Factory specs, of course. There it is. We'll plug that in. We'll do this. Boom. You can blow right through this one probably, right? There. That proves it was bad. We were right. Stick this thing back on here. Oh, there we go. Park the Toyota. This one here we need to get set back up here. Back out here. We'll go to trouble codes. We'll clear them little guys out. Reread them. No codes. We'll log data. Emissions. Same test, we'll fire it up. And this time we see no change. So we know it's working. We're good. Not that you doubted me, but I figured I'd just show you what good looks like. I did put his other gaskets back in here for him. So that's it. It is Tuesday. So there's your 2 for Tuesday. This video was going to be pretty short on this Chevy, so I thought we'd throw in an extra bonus video for you. Huh? How's that for a nice guy? Pretty good, I guess. So that's it. We got some more Chevys. That Chevy there is from the used car guy, 2014, and apparently a bunch of lights on. I walked outside, I see the brake lights were stuck on. I opened the door, and there's water running out of the dash onto the brake controller. And I turned the brake controller, and half a quart of water fell out of that. So I unplugged it, and the brake lights went out. But I'm sure that's going to be a real sweetheart. One owner, low mileage, baby. Remember, folks. Not all junk cars, what do they say? Not all cars from the auction are junk, but all junk cars are at the auction. So, I guess with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed your 2 for Tuesday. Let me know in that comment section what you think, how you feel, and everything else you want to tell me down there. Insta, Facebook. You guys know what to do. Just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.